Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do something amazing and we're going to cook something delicious with better ingredients. But before I even tell you what it is, don't forget to give this a like. After you watch some of the videos and you like it, comment below if you're gonna try this recipe because it's delicious. And don't forget to subscribe because we're gonna keep rolling out these recipes, you hear me? All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. What the crap are we making, Dr. Linz? Well, we're going to make a better ingredient, folded tortilla. Have you seen those around on TikTok? Have you seen those on YouTube? I know I have, and I've been wanting to show you guys all about it and how to use some better ingredients. Also known as a Crunchwrap Supreme hack or a 4x4 tortilla. Those are the other names I've heard too. Trying to get trendy here for you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. What exactly are we going to make here? We're going to make a chicken bacon ranch folded tortilla. All right, that was like Italian, but it wasn't supposed to be. So let's start this off first. What kind of tortilla am I using? If you guys know me, you know I love my Siete brand. I got the cassava flour tortillas. These are a little bit smaller, and they do recommend using a bigger tortilla than this, but we're gonna go with this. They have burrito ones, which I would recommend getting Siete. Burrito ones, just know there are more carbs in there, but again, we're focusing on better ingredients here. Another hack before we get started with Siete flour tortillas, you're going to want to microwave your tortilla for about 8 seconds. That's going to make it more bendable and pliable, okay? So make sure you heat that up for about 8 seconds in your microwave. All right, then we have our second step here, and we're simply going to cut the tortilla about halfway here. We're gonna start at the halfway point, and you're just gonna sliver her all the way out so you can do that little follow-rooski, okay? So that is the second step to our tortilla. Our third step here, you can guess it. Now what we're going to do, the goal is to add in each fourth square a different ingredient. So here I'm going to start off with, what do we want to start off with? I'm going to start off with chicken, okay? The chicken, I have 3.5 ounces. This is a smaller tortilla, so I'm going to give you a little hack here. We're going to cheat, and I'm going to put, you want to layer it right where that slit ends. So I'm going to start there, and I am going to put some in that last square as well. So I chose 3.5 ounces. That's about typical for a female with what you need as far as protein goes. I am not going to smash this tortilla too full because I've never used the Siete small tortillas before doing this. So I'm gonna leave that out, but I'll eat that later. So I got about 3 ounces in here. We're gonna make this sliver just a little bit bigger so I can fold it a little bit more there with that chicken in there. Okay, so we got our chicken, 3.5 ounces. Next I have 2 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen Ranch. 2 tablespoons is 1 serving. You can use a 1/2 tablespoon or 1 tablespoon. You don't have to use the 2. I'm going to make sure I show you how to do this. I'm gonna put that in the other 4 square. Yummy, that's definitely a lot of ranch. Okay, then we are going to do, of course, one of my favorites is going to be the bacon. I have 1 tablespoon of bacon. I got one more tip here for you that I need to explain after we're done layering it. Okay, and then we have our cheese. I do like to use grass-fed or raw cheese. You can find that in the convenience stores nowadays. And then for bacon as well, you can get uncured if you're feeling fancy. That is a little bit of a better quality of bacon for you. But again, it's all in what you can do. And what I'm gonna do with the cheese, I'm just gonna sprinkle it all on 4 squares. I'm cheating here. We're gonna go 4 squares, and then I'm gonna layer it more on the 1 square, the one triangle that's supposed to be, okay? Boom! Chicken bacon ranch with cheese on our folded tortilla. With the chicken, I need to mention this. Use cooked chicken. So this is great for leftover meal prep chicken at the end of the week when you don't really want to use it. This is a great meal to make. That's what we're doing tonight. We're making these with our leftover meal prep chicken, or you can grab rotisserie chicken because that's already cooked up for you. So make sure your chicken is already prepared. Now, what we're going to do is fold this over. Are you ready for this jelly? You're gonna take that first square, you're gonna fold, uno, fold again, Ready for this? Dose. You can see we're getting messy. Ready? And fold that over with the chicken. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh yeah. So we got our 4 square fold right there. Boom. And what, I am personally kind of sloppy. So I'm just gonna take that, shove that on the top with that chicken and that cheese because we just want all that in there. So shove that babyful. Now what we're going to do, I do not have a panini press or an air fryer. So if you have a panini press, please use that or use your air fryer and put this sucker in there. What we're going to do though is we're gonna take it on over to the stovetop, which I know most of us do have stovetops. We're gonna make sure our stovetop is on and ready to go. I put grass-fed butter on the bottom here. So grass-fed butter, olive oil, coconut oil. I just feel the butter is going to really crisp it up nicely. So grass-fed butter is the way I go. And it's not quite hot yet, but you're gonna wait for this to get super hot. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna plop this on. Don't burn yourself. And I'm gonna hold this down. And I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute, okay? So about a minute till I can tell it's getting cooked on this side. Okay, so we let that sit for about a minute on each side. You can see that this is sizzling. I had it on about medium. Okay, so let me explain how I cooked that a little bit more. I had it on medium on the bottom side, the first side, and then before I flipped it over, I turned down the stovetop just a little bit, flipped it over, and held it down with my spatula like so. And now we have our delicious chicken bacon ranch 4 square or folded tortilla. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it below. And if you'd like some more delicious recipes, don't forget to check out our daily feel-good recipes. Until next time, guys, we'll talk to you later. Peace and love.